A straight path to becoming a billionaire is not about one magic idea, it's about solving a massive global problem at scale. One powerful direction is building an AI powered financial ecosystem for underserved people. Imagine an app that works like a personal CFO for anyone, with features like smart budgeting, automatic investing, credit building tools, and micro loans. The twist, it uses AI to guide users based on their real behavior, not generic advice. If you can reach millions of users in developing markets and charge even a small fee or earn through partnerships, this can scale into a multi-billion-dollar company. Another strong idea is creating a platform that helps small businesses go online instantly. Millions of local shops still don't have digital presence. You could build a tool where a shop owner can create a website, accept payments, manage inventory, and run ads all in one place within minutes. Think of it as a Shopify for small towns, but simpler and cheaper. If you empower millions of small sellers globally, your platform becomes extremely valuable. You could also explore education technology with a result driven model instead of just teaching. Build a platform that guarantees outcomes like helping students earn money through skills such as freelancing, AI tools, or coding. If your problem directly connects learning with income generation, it becomes much more powerful than traditional education system. Scaling this globally can create both impact and massive wealth. A futuristic idea is entering the renewable energy plus rural infrastructure space. For example, creating affordable solar microgrids for villages or low income areas. If you combine energy access with financing, you are not just selling electricity, you are transforming economies. Companies working in energy at a scale often reach billion-dollar valuation because the demand is huge and constant. Finally, building a creator economy platform focused on emerging markets can be a game changer. Millions of people want to earn online but lack tools, monetization options, or audience access. If you create a platform that helps creators grow, monetize, and manage their income easily, especially in countries like India, you tap into a rapidly growing digital workforce. When you own the platform, where people earn, you are positioned at the center of a massive money flow. The common thread in all these ideas is simple scale, technology, and solving real problems. Billionaires don't chase money, they build systems that millions of people rely on.